I'm Miss Sims. Welcome back to our book reading. Today's book is What Was the Age of Dinosaurs? All right, and as you all know, dinosaurs are my favorite animal. I have one right here, my Triceratops. So today's book is written by Megan Stein, which is a fantastic author. We have read so many of her books. We love them. This usually type of book would have what does it stand? Yes, a person's head, someone that's historical, all right? So this book is written by Megan Stein. It's illustrated by Penguin Random House. Yes, it is a historical book, yeah. And it is nonfiction or fiction? That's right, it's nonfiction. This one has facts in it, right? So we can have books out there that are historical nonfiction. You can have historical fiction. This one is what again? Yes, historical nonfiction, meaning it has real facts in here. All right, and the publisher was also Penguin Random House, and they published it in 2017. All right, y'all, so before we get started, I know that I talk about dinosaurs all the time. However, I want you to tell me about, let's say, two facts. Two facts about dinosaurs you already know. Now, you can't say they're big. You can't say they have a lot of teeth. You can't say they're scary. You can't say that they lived a long time ago. You have to write or give me two facts that you know about dinosaurs that I did not just mention. Turn and talk to your neighbor, okay? All right, good job, y'all. All right, so we're going to go ahead and stop here, and we're going to actually go in and look at some pictures. We've gotten halfway through the book so far, so now we're going to look at some pictures. And we're going to use our inferencing, okay? We've already been reading about the dinosaurs and how they're historical and how they used to be alive and how different they used to be from one another. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use our common sense, our inferencing skills. All right, so where are these dinosaurs right now? Are they in the sky? No. Where are they? That's right, they're underneath the water. Do you notice something that they have or that they don't have? That's right, to me, yeah. They don't have any feet, do they? What do they have, Sarah? That's right, they have what looks like to be fins. So if we make an inference, we know that they're in the water, they don't have feet, and they have fins. What do you think that tells you about this specific dinosaur? That's right, that they most likely lived underneath the water. Did you know that? Did you know that we had dinosaurs that lived underneath the water? Yeah. Do you think, based on the information that you know about fins, do you think that they can come up above the water? Yeah, maybe they can lift their head above the water. Maybe they can look out of the water. That's right. I would also say that they probably can't walk on the land because they have fins. But think about a walrus. They don't have feet, and they still get out of the water. Interesting, right? Awesome. All right, good job, y'all. All right, now that we have finished our book, it was fantastic. It has kept us entertained. It has entertained us to know more about dinosaurs. That's historically correct. Yes, that's right. All right, so now, for the finished thing that we're going to do, I would like you to take one of these sticky notes, and you are going to write a summary using 3 cool facts that you learned about these dinosaurs. Now remember, going back to the beginning, it can't be that they were scary, that they had big teeth. You have to find interesting facts. Remember going back when we were reading a couple of days ago and we stopped in the middle of the book and we found out that some dinosaurs didn't have legs. They actually had fins and they were underneath the water. Yeah, well maybe that's something you could include in one of your 3 really cool facts that you learned about. Okay? So yeah, I want you to do that, and then once you're done, I want you to hand them in, and then you're good to go. Thanks, y'all.